Hey Jace, what are we doing today?
Magic tracks.
Magic tracks! Jace is so excited about magic tracks. I can see why. Look at this box. Thank you so much to Ontel for sending this to Jace. This is the brand new Magic Tracks RC. All right, here's the remote control, Jace. What does green mean?
Stop.
And what does red mean?
Stop.
Oh, yeah.
And orange means speed up, and blue means go reverse.
Reverse, that's right. Oh, you can see how excited Jace is. The Magic Tracks RC set comes with a car, a remote control, and 10 feet of Glow Track Speedway. Jace is super excited about the jump ramp as well as the Crash X Track. Are you ready to open it up?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Pieces.
Whoa.
Hey, I finally got this out. Whoa.
Don't forget about the Glow Track. Oh, look at the colors. So pretty. Jace assembled this mini track all by himself. These tracks are amazing because...
And I'm going to make another one. So can I open this?
Sure. These tracks have amazing features. They quickly snap together. You can bend them. You can flex them. We could even take it to the max. Can you show us how the car works on the little track you built? Oh, that's cool.
I like to go and explain.
Wow, you went in reverse. Jace is going crazy building all these tracks all by himself. That's how easy it is. These tracks quickly snap together. They are flexible, bendable, and they glow in the dark. What more could you ask for? Uh-oh, wrong way, wrong way.
Reverse.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Stop.
Stop.
Oh, we made the jump in reverse. Did you see that, everyone?
Can you do it? Oh!
Whoa!
Look at that stunt action.
There's two modes, one without the sound effects.
Oh, really?
It's on the car.
Can we go in the dark and see if it glows?
Are you ready?
Kill the lights. Let's see if it really does glow in the dark.
Yeah.
Don't get scared. Are you going to be scared?
No.
Woo! Look at this!
He lights
Oh!
Hey, he lights everything!
He does. Oh my gosh! The track really does glow in the dark. Look at it! Oh my goodness, Jace. Look at these tracks glowing in the dark. And that car is so bright. I love it. We can play Magic Tracks all day and all night. So cool. Ooh, you're creating a bridge. I love it.
So here's the decoration of the car. Water and fire, flames, race and flag, and that's it. So let's go race it on the track.
He is loving his magic tracks, I gotta say.
Mommy,
What?
I have a very idea.
What?
So we can make the magic tracks go down here and then down there and then make a crazy track down there.
Crazy track. We're obviously not done playing with magic tracks, but I had to ask Jace, would you give magic tracks a thumbs up? All fingers up. Thank you so much to Ontel for sending this to Jace. Huge hit, and thanks for watching.
Like my video, subscribe, bye.